Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Safeco app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow the same steps. So here I can see the Safeco app. If it's not working, you have to follow these steps. Just press it and hold here and click on this I button. Okay, and then here you have to scroll down and click on the storage button. Okay, just click on clear data and delete all data of the app and it will work. If it's not work, you have to follow the second step. So second step is to check for update. Just go to the Google and search for the Safeco app. Okay, just go right here and here it is saying it is to be updated. Okay, if it's to update, you can update it. So the last solution is to reinstallation. Just click on here, click on uninstall button, click on OK, and then it will be done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.